Welcome back to this new video. In industrial automation, a digital twin is more than just a 3D model. It is about understanding and controlling the real system behind it. With my background in chemistry, electrotechnique, and process control, today I'll take you inside an automated car wash. We'll connect the Rockwell PLC to Isaac Sim and simulate every spray and every sequence, not only for visualization, but to improve realistic and efficiency before the real machine runs. Watch the complete automated car wash sequence. The car enters, gets washed with water, foam and rain, then exits. All automatic, all PLC controlled. Our spray script creates more than 200 physics groups, controls WashSystem movement from X6 to 12, and handles 3 different spray types: blue for water, pink for foam. Let's start. Starting the sequence, car move into position. Wash sequence begin. Step 20. Water pre-wash. Blue water groups spray from multiple nozzles. Wash the wash system move across the car for complete coverage. For 45 seconds of continuous water spray, pre-wash complete. Next up, step 30, foam time. Watch the color change. Pink foam groups, larger and slower than water. The system moves at half speed for thorough foam coverage. For 45 seconds of foam application. Car full coverage. Next step, step 40, rain cycle. Blue water again, washing away the foam. Final pass across the car, ensure a clean finish. And done. Wash complete. Now the car exit. That was our digital twin demonstration of an automated car wash system. If you like to see more on PLC and real-time industrial simulation, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.